The ancient city of Ile-Ife is currently buzzing with excitement as the 2025 World Annual Obatala Festival unfolds, running from January 14th to 27th. This globally recognized event has drawn participants from across the world, reaffirming Ile-Ife's position as the cradle of Yoruba civilization and spiritual enlightenment. While the festival promises a colorful blend of processions, ritual performances, and cultural showcases in the days ahead, the spotlight here is on its recent engaging colloquium sessions. This intellectual gathering explored the theme, Orisa Obatala, a mainframe of Yoruba cosmology and morality, offering deep insights into the enduring relevance of Yoruba spirituality in addressing societal challenges. The colloquium held at the Oba Okunade Sijuade Memorial Hall featured discussions led by scholars, cultural custodians, and traditional leaders. The keynote address, Obatala in Shaping Yoruba Cosmology and Ethical Values, delivered by Mr. Babatunde Otun of Obafemi Awolowo University, Ile-Ife, delved into the virtues associated with Obatala, such as patience, humility, and justice. Mr. Otun highlighted how these principles continue to inspire ethical living and collective responsibility within the Yoruba community.
Obatala dúró gẹ́gẹ́ bí ògbókan pàtàkì nínú ìmọ̀ ìjìnlẹ̀ Yorùbá àti ìmọ̀ ìjìnlẹ̀ nípa ẹ̀dá Yorùbá. Ó jẹ́ ọ̀kan nínú àwọn àgbà òrìṣà tí Olódùmarè rán wá sí ayé. Ó jẹ́ òrìṣà tó jẹ́ pé òun ló wà nípa ohun tá à ń pè ní ìmọ̀, mímọ́ àti ìwà ọmọlúàbí.
Attendees were immersed with the intellectual discourse, which emphasized the role of Obatala as both a spiritual guide and a custodian of moral values. Discussions also called for a renewed focus on reconnecting younger generations with their ancestral roots, ensuring the preservation and growth of Yoruba traditions.
Recognition àti attention tí ìjọba ń fún wa kò tó ọ̀nà ìmọ̀lókè ẹjọ́ tẹ́bá wọ́n ti sọ fún mi pé wọ́n fún wa ẹjọ́ tí ẹ bá dé ọ̀dọ̀ gómìnà ẹ má sọ pé ẹ̀kẹ́ wá bí lásán.
Traditional rulers and spiritual custodians played vital roles in these sessions. Oba Alamo Obatala Ile-Ife, chairman of the World Obatala Festival Committee, highlighted the renaissance in Yoruba culture and spirituality. He urged parents and elders to actively guide the youth in embracing the knowledge, values, and virtues needed to sustain Yoruba heritage.
Status in the acceptance of Ishese by the Yoruba children who once saw the ancestral worship as diabolical, unproductive, primitive, and unsociable in this contemporary time and space. As of today, Ishese children are in public space, boldly expressing their religious beliefs.
In a message delivered by a special advisor on traditional matters, the Osun State Governor acknowledged the significance of Ile-Ife's spiritual and cultural heritage. He praised the festival for its role in fostering peace, unity, and ethical governance, while reaffirming the administration's dedication to preserving Yoruba traditions.
A ní àkọọ́lẹ̀ pé àtìyàn dúdú àtìyàn funfun gbogbo àwa tọ́lọ́run dá sílé ayé a máa ń fẹ́ mọ kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ tí òṣòkú wa a máa ń fẹ́ mọ kí ni yóò ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ iwájú wa so that a máa lè mọ kí ni yóò ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ òní. Wọ́n máa ń pè ní divination tàbí revelation.
As the festival continues, participants are eagerly anticipating the upcoming performances, artistic exhibitions, and cultural showcases that will celebrate Obatala's purity, wisdom, and contributions to Yoruba cosmology. The event remains a beacon of unity and ethical guidance, reminding all of the timeless virtues of Obatala and the spiritual depth of Yoruba heritage. In his remarks, the Arole Obatala Obalesun Ase Obatala Ife, Oloja Ironja Edita Obatala Agbaye, His Divine Grace Oba Isoro Dada, called on devotees to embrace unity and embody the teachings of Obatala in their daily lives. He emphasized the importance of patience, humility, and justice, urging adherents to reflect these virtues in their interactions and contributions to society.
Àmìra burúkú náà ti máa lọ láíláí nìyẹn. Gbogbo ẹ̀ tó wà nínú òòlù kó tó dọ̀dún tó wọ̀ wọ́n máa kọ́lé tuntun, wọ́n máa rọ́pò tuntun, wọ́n máa ṣoríire tó pọ̀. Àwọn ọmọ iléèwé ọpọlọ wọn ò ní jọba.
òwe wọn nàmbà wà ní bàbá gbé tú wọn ayé wọn ò ní bí bàjẹ́ o owó tí àwọn òbí náà máa ná lé wọn lórí kò ní wọ́n wá nítorí pé owó náà owó lò kí wọ́n jagunjagun owó náà owó lò ní